Hello there, it's John again. Today we're going to be doing a review of the YUNEEC Breeze, and I'll show you how to set it up and then we'll take it for a fly. See what you think. I'm very impressed with this one. This box is 9 inches by 8 3/4 by about 6 inches tall. Slightly different from other boxes I've seen with reviews in them. And yeah, it's a very nicely made box, well finished off, not cheap at all. Of course, when these first came out, they were about $400, I believe. Inside the box is yet another box. Take this box out, and this is the box with the Breeze. Has the name on the front here, let you know, 4K, and that's the other thing about this. Check this out. Nice box. You can put things in it. You can put the propeller protectors here. That's how it comes, and also an extra battery. I've just got the regular battery in there. This on the top here is the GPS system. It has folding propellers, which makes it a lot more compact for traveling. I mean, this is very small compared to what it actually does. Now, looking upon closer here, you can see that's the battery there. That is the on-off switch. On the back here, we've got legs that fold down as well as at the front. Just turn that round a bit. The camera is real good. I mean, these things now cost about what, $140, $130. You get a 4K camera unstabilized, but you've got EIS, electronic image stabilization, on the 1080 at 30 frames per second. I can tell you it's really good. I'm impressed with it. Of course, got the name on there, the Breeze. And this camera, you can adjust it from the controller to go up or down, and it also has insulation around it to hold it away from the body so you don't suffer those vibrations that is common with a lot of camera drones. On the bottom of the drone, you've got an optical flow sensor. It's going to hold its position. I've used it. It works great as well in coordination with the GPS. What a fantastic idea. Okay, next. Inside of the bottom of the box, you have a charging cable for the battery, and this is the battery charger. Just slide it in, and that will turn green when it's ready. It will flash, I think it's in red while it's charging, or just flash red. So that's great, nice, works really fast, charges the battery very quick. I'm surprised at that. You also get a mini USB to regular USB cable. And this contraption here is what holds your phone onto the controller. And the controller here is in the bottom of the box. Looks like a kind of like a PlayStation style controller. And what you do is you take this thing here, slot it underneath, make sure that these wires don't press on them buttons, so you have to adjust it, and then just click the bottom closed. There you go. And now we can put the phone in here, which will look something like this. So you can watch where your craft is flying to just through this screen. It's amazing. It's really great. I love it. You also get a quick start, a little manual on the Breeze controller and the actual Breeze aircraft to give you good information about that. And I'll show you how to connect the aircraft to the controller and to the cell phone.